Today I'm going to show all of you how to make some guacamole. And it's a very easy recipe, and I'm sure many of you have had it before, maybe at a restaurant or at your house even, but this is going to be a very fun recipe to make. So I'm going to go over some of the ingredients first. So first I have this avocado, very important ingredient. I have onion to make it a little crunchy, some garlic. You can use fresh garlic or jarred garlic, but I'm going to use fresh. A lemon for lemon juice, salt and pepper, and some cilantro, which will add a little bit of flavor. So first we're going to talk about our avocado. So with this, you want to make sure the color isn't too green or the texture isn't too hard, because that'll mean it's not ripe at all. Also, you want to make sure it's not too soft, because that'll just be completely bad. So first what you're going to do is you're going to cut this in half this way. There's a pit in the middle, so that's what the hard thing is that you're probably going to hit with your knife. Then you're going to take it and just twist it. The color should be pretty green, so this is a good one. If it was brown, it would be bad, and if it's yellow, it's not ready to be used. So then you're going to take your knife and just stab the pit in the middle so you can get it out. It's kind of hard. You want to like move it around a little bit. It's not moving so well, but there we go. So then I'm just going to put this in my compost pile. Then I'm going to take a spoon and scoop out the avocado insides. It's good to use a spoon because the surface makes it really easy to scoop, opposed to maybe a knife or a fork. Then next, I'm going to take my onion. I've already chopped this up. I'm just going to add a little bit for a little bit of crunchiness and a little bit of flavor. And, using this fresh garlic, you can also, as I said, you can also use this jar, but this is a little more fresh and a little more yummy, I think. So this garlic press, you just put the garlic in and crunch it. I've already done that, and I'm just going to put a little bit in. You don't need too much because it's really strong, but it adds a lot of flavor to the guacamole. Then I'm going to take my lemon, and I've already cut it in half, and before you cut it, you could roll it around on the ground or on the table surface, and it makes it all soft so you can get most of the juice out of it. I'm going to take my juicer right here and just you know, juice it up a little bit. It's pretty easy. And you don't really need too much, so you just want a little bit of flavor. And I'm going to take some cilantro. This is what it looks like when it's in the stalk. It looks a lot like parsley, but you want to make sure that you wash it to make it really fresh and clean. But I've already chopped mine up right here, and you really don't need that much. It adds a lot of flavor to it, so I'm just going to get a little bit, and that'll be good. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, and that looks good. Then I'm going to take fork right here, and I'm going to use it to mash up my guacamole. Alrighty, so I've got my guacamole all mashed up and mixed around, and let's try it out. That's really good.